Welcome. This is Andy Barnett, Director of McMillan Memorial Library in Wisconsin Rapids. After over 2 years of planning and fundraising, McMillan is preparing to implement what we call our Learning Futures Project. The Learning Futures Project is a major upgrade for us, maybe the biggest improvement since we opened in 1970. It will involve renovating a majority of our public space, over 15,000 square feet in all. This will not only improve and expand many of the services we offer, it will allow us to offer new services. This week, we will examine one piece of the project and how it will benefit the community. The first benefit of the Learning Futures Project is increased skill building and training opportunities. McMillan Library's mission is strengthening our community through lifelong learning. This is also the core of our Learning Futures Project. The project removes the physical limitations we have faced. It updates our theater, where we hold large events. It creates a new training room to augment the McCourt Room. It adds 5 smaller study rooms designed for those taking online classes. Most importantly, it expands our main technology training area, the Makerspace. This is an all-ages lab where you can learn about 3D printing, computer-assisted design and manufacturing, virtual reality, and robotics. It even includes a fully equipped recording studio. We're very excited to be able to bring such a full-featured training facility to the community. Stop by the website to see what we have planned. It's going to be amazing. Thanks for watching. McMillan is continuing to fundraise for the project throughout the end of the year. If you'd like more information about the Learning Futures Project or how to support it, stop by our website, mcmillanlibrary.org.